Manuhak ni? Manuhak ni?
Okay, manunusik.
너무 이죠.
Good morning, Philippines.
Good morning! Good morning, guys. Sa garden ako, sobrang aga ko sa garden. Tubig. Ito guys, sira to guys. Kapag nilabas lahat. Sira na siya. We need to buy a new one. A small one. What are you looking? That's what you're looking, right? Refrigerator. Nilagyan ko ng fence kasi si Roxy palagi naka-jump dito. Dito talaga siya guys, as in. Yun. Kinain ni Roxy itong salad. Sasabi ko sa kanila na ito. Kasi kinain na nila. So yan, dyan ko na lang sila ilagay. Dyan yan dapat. Pero nilagay ko dito yung eggplant. Yung eggplant is nag-start na silang kinain ng mga hinayupak. Ito yung nakadiferensya guys. Ito siya is with Miracle Grow tomato. And then yung isa is wala. Tignan nyo ang diferensya, diba? Ang saya niya, Miracle Grow. Ito siya. Yung wala. Look, ang payat niya. Diba? Tignan mo na. And, may na siya, look. Yung cucumber natin, nag-start na siyang mamunga. Ang aga, diba? Ang liliit pa ng ko, Nang nilagyan ko ito talaga guys, kasi si Roxy palaging na andun. Yung ko natutumba. Tinayo ko naman yung mga corn ko. Yung kalamansi natin guys, look. Ang dami. So, kung andito kayo, malapit upstate, kung gusto nyong kalamansi seedling, kita tayo. Ibigay ko to sa'yo. Yan, kalamansi. Yung tomato natin, may na. Isprehan ko to guys. Kasi ang daming kumakain. Dami talagang kumakain. So yan. May mga tomato na dun. Dami din. Saka dun. Look. Ang saya pag may garden Look. Ang saya. Yung tanglad ko is parang dumadami. Yung tomato doon sa pinaka-last. Ang ginawa ko is pinoprone ko sila. Yep. Pruning. Nagpo-prone ako doon kasi kinakat ko yung mga sanga-sanga. Yung branches na hindi dapat. Mataba naman. Pero sila yung sumusihip ng sustansya. Ang saya nito pag may fence. Diba? Pag may fence. I'm planting new things. That's where what was in there? Bok choy was there. I harvested. So now I'm planting string bean. I don't order anything yet. This is eggplant. So, Roxy, start eating your salad. Look, they start eating here, look. Here. This area
I
here.
think it's them.
Huh?
I think it's a rabbit.
The rabbit start eating?
The rabbits love lettuce.
So they come over here?
They crawl right to the fence.
Ay, naku talaga.
I do not think it's the puppies.
I think it's them. Hi guys! Good morning! It's 11 something na guys. 11:26. And kain lang ako. We're going to have lunch before I go because i-pick up ni ako ni Punta kami sa bahay ni Rosa. Rosa that went here yesterday. We're going to her house. She said, may tuba daw siya guys. She have a tuba. And then tuba is it's a coconut wine. But she doesn't have a coconut when we don't have coconut. She's joking. And of course we cannot drink because Lo is driving. And I can drink, right? Yesterday was the longest time that he stayed outside fixing that freaking refrigerator, and it doesn't work. And we need to throw that refrigerator out, guys. No, give up on that, honey. You spend another...
The fan is no good.
Yeah, but you're gonna spend money for the fan or whatever is broken. And then instead of buying the new...
I like that refrigerator.
Oh, hon. You can find the best one, hon.
I know that. I still like that one.
Yeah.
Like
Because do you have a emotional connection?
Okay.
You like my movie. Guys, what happened, guys? The alarm in this house went crazy. He tried to fix something. And oh my God, there is a guy talking. This arm, no, you have to get out in this house. There is an...
Oh, China! China.
Honey, you freak Roxy out, hon. Han, can I finish this vegetables, hon?
Yes.
Is that okay?
Yes.
Thank you. I like this, guys. The ginataan, guys. Look.
You're not getting any of this, Ross. You did not eat your food.
Go eat your dindin first, baby. You cannot have what we have. So, kakain ako ng lunch before pick upin tayo ni Lo. Kasi, if you've been watching me, you know that I'm always having a hard time if I get hungry. Like, I pass out, I'm dying like that. Can't breathe. Sweetie, collapse, like that. Hala, hon, you cannot eat that, hon. Biluni.
You sit on the window all the time. Just because you came out and played with the camera, you decided to come out and have some food.
Ay, Han. I thought you fixed it. Ang alam na naman. And if that happened like that, what are you going to do? I mean, if it makes noise like that, you have to put the code?
No, I had to put the coat so I could try and shut the chime off.
Yeah. Do you want eggplant? Yeah, eggplant, oh. Eggplant for you. Or do you want squash for your big eyes? This is good for your eyes. Make your eyes clearer. You can see at the night to kill the bug, okay? Here. That's for you. Look.
Probably want to edit the tones out.
Why?
Because people tell you code by the tones.
Okay. Eat with Mama Nabi. I'm happy that you sit with me and Dada is gonna be... You block Dada away from me. You're in between. Tommy is in the other side eating. Tommy should be in this chair. Yeah, the eggplant is sliding. Kain na ako, guys. Eh? Si Luigi, kunin ko sana si Luigi dalhin dito para dito na kami. And sabi ni Luigi, pahatid na lang daw siya sa asawa niya. So yun, hinanap ko yung cellphone. Tawagan nga natin, be. Yun ang hindi natin alam. Kung saan na yung cellphone. Puntahan natin sa taas, baka andun. Han? My cellphone is in there?
What?
My cellphone.
I didn't hear.
My cellphone is there?
Your cell phone?
Yeah.
I don't see it.
Okay. Tignan nyo, iniwan ko siya dito, look. Ay, nako.
Inom muna ako ng aking mainit na ginger tea with turmeric.
Bakit mainit? Tea pala.
Tea.
Tibak.
Ininit ko lang.
Patay, be. Andun yung asawa mo, be. Ano mga gawin na may inuman dun, be.
Hayaan mo sila. Let them enjoy. Kasi mag-lakotsa naman tayo.
Anyway, so andito na. Pinick up na kami ng Grab namin. Over.
Okay, we'll set how
Over.
much it will be.
Ano yun? Over? Over. Over?
Uber. Paano nga yung ating address?
Grab. Hi, Dora. I'm just joking, wait.
Magpapa-highlight kayo, magpapa-highlight din ako.
Oo, magpapa-highlight. Kailan ba yun? Kailan tayo magpaano?
Next week. Next week, maybe.
Hi! Simon, di ba? Simon to. Hala, be. Na ano, nahulog niya.
It's okay. I'll give her another one. Ayaw niya nahuhulog. Di na niya kinakain.
Oh, talaga? Hi, Simon! Hala, manunuhak ba ito? Manunuhak. Manuhak ni? Manuhak ni?
Okay, manunusik.
아, 너무 이죠.
Ang dami yung ibenta natin.
Alam mo,
Dili man kapag gusto ka niya, gaganon niya siya. Hold it.
Makaintindi siya?
Yeah, she's English. Oh, you reading it? She say, you want some? You want some? If you're eating, she's gonna ask, you want some? I want some, like that.
Oh, really?
Or, you wanna go out?
Hindi siya umalis. Lumalabas.
Hindi.
Dito lang siya?
Minsan nilalabas ni Mike, yung pinapainit at pinapahangin. Delikado kasi sa hook.
Oo,
Kasi
kunin.
pick upin ang hook
Pick
yan.
upin
Lalo
ito.
na ngayon, summer. Delikado.
Kainin siya. Hala, ang cute ng ibon. Ba't hindi siya nagsalita? Maganda pag magsalita, no? Hala, hinawakan talaga niya, guys, yung pagkain, guys. Look.
You want some?
Hala, nahulog.
Hera. Yeah, it's her favorite, mais.
Pag mahulog yan, hindi niya kainin.
Depende. Mainit kasi.
Mahulog, be.
Magaling maghawak yan kahit heavy, basta gusto niya.
Talaga?
At least na ayaw na niya, ilalabog niya.
Oh, talaga?
Yeah. Look, di ba? Ang corn hand.
Lolo.
Ingat na ingat siya yung malaglag kasi gusto niya eh.
Eh, baby, paalis na kami, guys. Pinakain kami ni Rosa.
Ate,
And then, paalis na kami.
yung paa niya ate, hindi nakaayos yung ano. Ay, inuukot.
Hi, Piyaya. Paalis na kami. Tignan niyo. Ang saya. Bigaon daw ko, Pia. Sabi ng mama mo. Hala, bantay ha? Pia. Init pa? As in? Sige. Hala, si Pia andun sa likuran. Umalis.
Open kasi tayo, okay kay natin.
Guys,
Napapasok ka agad, nakakainis. Napapasok ng lamig.
pauwi na kami, guys. So, I'm here, guys, and ang init. Grabe, it's hot. It's hot outside, honey. It's 97.
degrees.
Huh?
93 degrees.
Yeah, God. So, this is not good. So, you end up not watching movie then.
We watch it, it's just like...
Binigyan ako ni Lloydie and Mark ng chocolate. Ang sarap-sarap ng chocolate nito. Paborito ko to. And also, binigyan niya ako ng chocolate na ito na parang spread by ano mo sa bread or something. Ito siya. Yeah, thank you, Lloydie and Mark. Thank you. And ngayon, pakainin ko tong mga alaga ko, guys. Eh, kumain naman sila. You guys eat. I guess to eat. Yung breakfast nyo nila, kinain nila. And dumating na yung parts ng sasakyan ni Tami. Kasi yung sasakyan ni Tami, nag-order siya ng part, diba? And then, meron daw siyang ipo-pull na something. Kailangan niyang puller. Hindi yung puller na pang ano ng mata, ha? Puller ng ano, sasakyan. So, ngayon, ang init sa labas, guys. So, ngayon, gusto niya, sabi pa niya sa akin, Han, i-drive mo ako doon sa ano, sa auto part. Gusto magpa-drive sa auto part. And yun, so i-drive natin siya. And bago niyan, pakainin ko tong mga alaga ko. Enjoy. Nakaka-happy.
Well, I look like shit.
You look okay, you're fine, you're good looking, you're guapo, you're my baby. Let's go. We will be right back. Yun, dito siya. Pagdating ko dito, dito siya nakahiga sa ilalim ng sasakyan. Tignan niyo yung sasakyan niya. Sasakyan niya naka-kumbabitay. Ito naman yung buhay ko. Driver ni Tamimoy. Right? Excuse me. Open the garage. Hello guys. So ngayon guys, lubat. So hindi ako makapag-vlog habang nagda-drive. So ngayon, nanonood ako ng kay Rostom Padilla ba, si Bibi Gandang Hari. Nanonood ako yung mga vlogs niya kasi sobrang fan na fan ako kay Rostom. At kahit ngayon nasa Bibi Gandang Hari na siya, fan na fan pa rin ako. So, nanonood ako ng mga vlogs niya. Bakit? to suporta, sa panonood. Suporta lang sa kanya. Hintayin ko lang si Tami kasi si Tami andito sa sa part store. Anyway, so lubat pala ako, guys. Sabi ko sa kanya, guys, kunan mo ako ng gas. Yan, kinukunan ako ng gas ni Mr. Go. Yan siya. So, tignan natin, guys. Okay, show me the polar that is like our polar. It's like eyebrow polar. Itong asawa ko is all around technician. Okay, show me. Oh, that's not a polar.
It is. What does it say on it?
Gear polar. Okay, guys, I'm home. We are home. Oh, don't do that again. Don't do that again.
It's not good. I don't know where I put the flashlight.
Ha? Mag-ano muna ako, guys. Worky. Kumain si Mr. guys. Hindi ako kumain kasi busog, diba? Pero, iba yung kakainin ko. Migo.
You don't eat now, then Roxy gets whatever the chicken is left.
You
And
should
I
eat.
right now.
You should eat Misty na.
Come on, take it, Miss. And Roxy gets the rest of the chicken. And she'll get you a bone too if I have to.
Kain tayo, guys. Oh my God, ang sarap. Ha? Do you want?
No.
Can you try one bite, please, for me?
Hug.
Kasi isang ingkit lang. Kinain lahat. Sweet, right? Good.
Yeah, that's great.
What?
Tell me.
Hit? Sarap na mangga. Do you know what season are you?
Two.
Episode?
Previously on Burnos.
Why go back to work for the people who put you through all this?
I won't clear my name. I don't want to know who did this.
Mm.
I know you did. You're on the edge of something much bigger.
Sarap.
People I work for, they have plans for you. I need you to pick me up. See this everyone job feeling this house to do. Very painful. How's that for you? Mike, it's for you. How many bones have
Hello guys! It's 10 o'clock na ng gabi. Yung asawa ko is hindi ko makita. I think andito siya sa labas. Tingnan natin kung anong ginagawa. Oh my God. Tingnan natin. Uy! It's 10 o'clock. And it's so hot in here. Tingnan yung sakyan niya. Oh my God. Nakatagilid talaga siya guys. Look. Tagilid. Anyway guys, so yun siya. 10 o'clock na ng gabi. Han, burnt notice. Andun, trabaho pa rin kahit gabi na. Sabi ko, matulog na ako. Iwan na kita dong. Iwan ko na siya guys. Habs, what are you crying for? Hala, hindi ko talaga ma-open. Andito yung asawa ni Lloydie, si Tami at saka si yung asawa ni Lloydie, yung asawa niya. Andito sila, nanonood sila. Alam niyo ba ang pinapanood nila? Train to Busan. Yun. At saka nagluluto si Tami ng burger. Yun. So sila dito dalawa. Kami ni Lloydie, lakwat siya. Sila din dito. Sila dalawa nanonood ng movie. Natawa na lang kami ni Lloydie kasi yung dalawa. Tawang-tawa kami guys. Anyway, I'm going to end this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching ha. And also, tignan natin si Habs. Tignan natin si Habs kasi kanina pa itong iyak ng iyak talaga. What are you doing up there? What are you doing? What are you doing? Huh? Get down here. Get down. Come here, down here. Stop crying. Gusto niya pumasok. Gusto niya pupunta ako doon, guys. Get down here. Get down. No, Dimples. You cannot go up. Mama's and Dada's going to sleep na. Akala niya papasukin siya. Not yet this time, Dimps. Come here, Hubs. Get down. Ako, pagkaano yun yung bataa ba? Tingnan nyo, oh. Nahiga na lang ikaw dyan. Ha? Ganito sila, guys. Gusto niya pumunta ako sa taas. Hoy, get down. Yan. Asan yun si Dimple Lords? Dim! Deep, 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 Lord, deep, Lord, deep, Lord. Ay, nako. Ang tagal ni Tami. Your dada is something. I don't know. Anyway, guys, I'm going to end this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I really do appreciate sa time, sa pag-click ninyo. Yung nakita ninyo yung video, kiniklik ninyo. Thank you so much. And bye. Thank you, guys.